Right. So one of the questions that I've been receiving, I think about 3 days now, is Nhyira, can I start studying on your online study portal even before you begin tuition for the ICA November 2021 examination? The answer is yes. So you can start studying. That way you have a head start of about 1 month head start to help you to go through the content, have access to the scope of how things are, and help you to position yourself to be able to pass the examination coming November 2021. So yes, you can enroll in the course today and get access to the content, the ebooks, the question kits. And if there are any questions as you are learning, you could always bring it up and it will be answered for you. So you can visit NhyiraPremium.com, enroll in a course, make payments online. It is still 390 Ghana cedis per paper, and I'll see you in the course.